So you're looking for the easiest way to start making money online from scratch. Look, to do this, you don't need followers, experience, or any fancy skills. You also don't need to work 80 hours a week or to invest tens of thousands of dollars in the business to get it off the ground. In fact, you can even get started with just 30 minutes a day and $0. You just need the right system. And by the end of this video, you will have that system step by step. Today, I'm going to break down the easiest ways to make real money online in 2025, starting from zero using digital products, high-ticket programs, or services you don't even have to fulfill yourself. If it's the first time we meet, my name is Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, selling digital products and high-ticket programs. Before we get into the three paths, I need to reset your mindset about making money online because most people get this completely wrong. You don't need to invent something new. You need to sell solutions. That's it. Money follows value plus leverage, not time. Which means if you're trading your time for money, you're capped at 24 hours a day. But if you create something once and you sell it repeatedly, then there's no limit anymore. The key is digital leverage. Now, what do I mean by that? You want to create or resell something once and profit repeatedly. You're not starting a side hustle here. You're building a digital asset. Something that generates income whether you're awake or asleep. Think of it like digital real estate. And the beautiful thing about 2025 is that the barriers to entry have never been lower. You don't need capital. You don't need a team to get started. You just need to understand how the game works step by step. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Let me give you the first path, digital products. This is low risk, high leverage. Examples include Notion templates, ebooks, guides, courses, presets, digital planners, all of that. You can start with zero experience. You could package what you know if you have an interest in a certain topic or research what people need and create a product around it. You could use tools like Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, Kajabi, or Etsy Digital, System.io, ClickFunnels. The process is simple. First, you create content to attract traffic around a specific topic, and then you drive traffic to your product, and then you get sales. Digital products are the modern vending machine. You have to build them once, and then they can pay you for years to come. I've personally used digital products to make consistent daily profits, and I can tell you, this is one of the smartest business models you could possibly start. The margins are insane, 90 to 95% profit. When you sell a $50 template, you're keeping basically all of it except payment processing fees. Now, the best thing you can sell is more premium courses. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't need to be an expert just to create a digital product. You just need to know more than the person who's buying it. If you know how to organize your life with Notion, you can sell a Notion template. If you know how to meal prep, you can sell a meal prep guide. If you understand basic fitness, you can sell a workout program. The knowledge you take for granted is valuable to someone who's just a few steps behind you. If we look at the stats, the e-learning industry is predicted to reach over $375 billion by 2026 and as much as $950 billion by 2032. Do you realize how massive this opportunity literally is? While everyone is still screaming about reselling the same shitty AliExpress or Wish products on their cute little Shopify store, the smartest and wealthiest entrepreneurs nowadays are capturing their piece of $1 trillion market. The demand is only accelerating. People are willing to pay premium prices for transformation, clarity, and speed. They don't want more information, they want results. And if you can package your knowledge or info into a course, coaching program, or a service that delivers those results, you're tapping into a market that's growing exponentially while every other business model is getting more competitive and less profitable. Look, this isn't a trend. This is the future of how people learn and how entrepreneurs build wealth. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now let's talk about path number 2, high-ticket programs. These are offered priced at $1,000 to $10,000 or more. The key here is you're selling transformation, not information. People don't pay high prices for information. Information is free nowadays. They pay for results, for speed, for accountability. Examples include coaching, mentorships, or done-for-you systems where you handle everything for them. You can start by partnering with an expert. You handle sales or they deliver the service. Or you can license a proven program, white label or affiliate. Once you gain some proof and results, you create your own high-ticket offer. The strategy is simple. You start small, you get one client, and you use those results to build authority, then you raise your prices. You don't need 1,000 customers. You just need 5 high-ticket customers. 5 clients at $2,000 each is $10,000 a month. So here's why high-ticket is so powerful. The effort to close a $2,000 sale is basically the same as closing a $200 sale. You're literally having the same conversation, building the same trust, just with a different price tag. But the impact on your income is 10 times greater. Most people are scared to charge high prices because they think, who would pay me that much? Because they don't see themselves paying that much for something. But the reality is people pay for value. If you can genuinely help someone to make $10,000, to lose 50 pounds, or repair their marriage, transform their life in some way that's meaningful to them, $2,000, for example, is nothing, it's a steal. The pain of doing nothing is much worse. The third path is a service-based business, even with zero experience. You can offer marketing, web design, automation, or content services. Here's where it gets interesting. You can use freelancers to fulfill their work while you handle client acquisition. This is the digital middleman model. You're not doing the work yourself. You're running an operation. Here's how it works. Step 1. Find a profitable niche. It could be e-com brands, coaches, local businesses, whatever. Step 2. Offer a clear service around it. You could be offering TikTok content creation, email marketing, funnel setup, social media management, etc. Step 3. Close clients at $1,000 to $3,000 a month each. Step 4. If you don't know how to deliver the service yourself, you hire freelancers from Upwork, Fiverr, or sites like these, and then they deliver the work for $200 to $500, for example. You pocket the difference. This model teaches you sales, systems, and leadership. And once you've proven the model works, you can scale by getting more clients, hiring more freelancers, expanding the team, or building automated systems. Eventually, you can even transition this into a coaching program where you teach others what you did or how to do it. That's the typical progression from services to coaching to digital products. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, how do you pick your path? How do you pick if you should sell services, coaching, or digital products? Here's a simple decision framework. Digital products or high-ticket programs are best for creators and educators. If you enjoy creating content, telling stories, teaching, and building things that scale passively, go with digital products. High-ticket offers are best for coaches, consultants, and results-driven people if you really enjoy talking with people. If you're good at one-on-one communication and getting people real transformation, high-ticket is your path. Services are best for action takers who can sell or communicate well. If you're good at talking to people, understanding their problems, and selling solutions, services would be perfect for you. But you can also do the 3 of them. Just start with one. Here's my honest advice. Don't overthink this. Pick the one that feels most aligned with your current skills and situation. You can always transition to another later or do all of them. Tons of entrepreneurs started with services, then coaching, then digital products which are fully automated. But nothing stops you from starting with a digital product in the first place. Let me give you a simple starter blueprint so you can take action this week. Step 1. Pick one path between online courses, high-ticket coaching, or services. Don't try to do all 3 at once. Step 2. Choose your niche. Who are you helping? Be specific. Don't help everyone who wants to make more money. Help freelance graphic designers who want to land high-paying customers. Step 3. Craft a simple offer. It should have a clear outcome and a clear price. For example, you could say, I'll help you land an extra 3 high-ticket clients in 30 days without paid advertising. That is very specific. Step 4. Reach out or post content daily for 30 days. Ideally, you want to be doing both at the same time, posting content and also reaching out to potential customers. If you're doing services or high-ticket, you can reach out directly via DMs on Instagram or social media, email, LinkedIn, etc. If you're going to be selling digital products, post content that attracts your ideal customer and drives them to your product. And step 5, reinvest your first profits into automation, branding, or ads. Don't blow your first $1,000 on some stupid shit. If you do that, then you deserve to be broke. Reinvest it back into the business so it grows faster. Look, speed of execution beats perfection every single time when it comes to business. Most people spend months trying to make everything perfect before they launch. They want their logo to be perfect, their website to be perfect, everything to be perfect. And while they're trying to make everything perfect, someone else launches a very imperfect offer. They get some feedback, they improve it, and they start making money. Don't be the perfectionist who never launches. Be the action taker who learns by doing. You can't be a slowpoke in business and hope to win. Look, I grew up in the low middle class. My dad was a nurse, my mom a nursing assistant. They worked themselves to the bone, and we were still barely scraping by. I watched them sacrifice everything, and I promised myself I'd do better, not just for myself selfishly, but for us. That's why I became obsessed with figuring out how to make real money online. And what I learned is this: it's not complicated really, but it requires action. You have to understand that the difference between you and someone making $10,000 a month or more, it's not talent or luck. It's that they picked a path, they executed, and they didn't quit when things got hard. That's it. To be honest, most people won't make it past the first week. They'll try a business model for a few days, not see immediate results, and give up. But you're different. You're watching this video because something inside you knows you're capable of more. So prove it. Take action today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Pick your path, define your niche, craft your offer, and make your first move.